Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and looking at the euro US dollar in this day in which nothing moves so far. London is quiet as quiet can be. The majority of banks are being closed. However, the forex markets or the currency markets are open, and therefore we can trade binary options based on this outcome. Now this is the 4-hour chart on the euro US dollar. And like the name of this analysis or video analysis suggests, I would like to buy call options on the euro US dollar, with the reason for that being at least, let's say, with the expectation that tries to go at least 1 pip to the upside by the time that the option is going to expire. So what I would like you to see here is the following. First, we have here a contracting triangle that price made, and this contracting triangle, keep in mind that this is a 4-hour chart, right? And this contracting triangle is actually being broken to the downside. So the move there was a price consolidating here in a contracting triangle and then acting as a reversal pattern. Why a reversal pattern? Because the previous trend was bullish, and then the triangular formation, and then price broke higher. Now, I don't know what you're seeing here, but from my point of view, if you take a trend line from here to here, something like this, and you project it to the downside like this, let's make it a bit bigger or a bit more visible, if I may say so, and then clone it and project it to the right side here like this. What do we have? Well, we have a nice channel. So price here hesitating from the base of this triangle, hesitating, breaking lower, and then as long as this channel hold, the trend to the downside hold. But here, this is a break higher. Now this break higher, from my point of view, is a bullish break. So what do we have? We have now a bullish trend to the upside, and now some consolidation here. Why not this be another contracting triangle like this one here, but this contracting triangle to act as a continuation pattern and not like a reversal pattern like mentioned at the beginning. So I would say that this one has all the chances to be something like this. Already wave A done here, probably the B wave, the C, the D, the E and N up, or A and B and C and D and E. I would say that we should watch this area here for some breaking potential. And what to expect next? Well, I would expect that this high is to be taken, and I would expect also a move into higher levels. Now, we should take things step by step, because nothing moves that fast, and especially not on this Friday before the Easter holiday. On Monday, the same. We should expect some lame price action. First of all, we should look at this potential B2D trend line to be broken and how it is being broken. I would say that already is impossible for this to be the B2D trend line, because so something like A, B, like this, C, looking for a D, and then an E, and then to move higher. So we look there for a B2D trend line. So triangle most likely not completed here, and the highs in 139 area should be challenged yet again. Now, what else should we have here if this is not a triangle? It might be, if you take a Fibonacci retracement and you look at this move from here, from the highs to the lows, and you look at the retracement level, you see that this is 61.8 being pierced in a 3-ways move. So this is sufficient for the move to be called a flat. Well, if this is a flat pattern, then the retracement of the B wave is only into the 61.8 or between 61.8 and 81%. So this has the chances to be This is a B failure. It is being called a flat with a B failure. But the C wave to follow to the downside, the move that you saw the other day, yesterday, is failing to take the lows in the previous wave A. This is being called a double failure. That means a B flat with a B failure and a C wave that fails to take the low. So if price now goes, for whatever the reason, today or Monday or next week, if price goes and aggressively breaks this one here, like this, I would say that our flat there is going to be completed, and this one there should be labeled as a flat with a double failure. So this one would be, in terms of value at waves, a wave A, then a B wave here, then of course the C wave here to the downside, A, B, C. Now if it's going to be a contracting triangle, then we'll see some hesitation here. If not, then we need for this move to the upside to be aggressively broken. It remains to be seen. I would say that nothing really is going to move for this one to be a flat, but most likely is going to be a triangle like this and then to break high. Maybe the B wave is not even completing here, but nevertheless, what I would like to do here on this Friday is to buy call options here, and to buy them call options with end of the expiration date, of course. And end of the expiration date means today, when the New York or the US markets are going to close in New York. That would be our expiration date. So buying call options with end of day, expiration date is the recommendation here, and is basically what we should do in such a day in which, again, nothing really moves. However, if this option will move only with 1 pip to the upside when compared with the expiration, with the striking price, then the option would be considered to expire in the money, and will make a nice profit on this binary option. Thank you again for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com. This is the Euro US dollar just bought call options, and all these analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lion Eye. Bye bye.